In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a LinkedIn badge in just about 5 minutes. Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to add that professional touch to your online presence, securing a LinkedIn badge for your website or digital CV is a fantastic move. Today, I'll guide you through each step to acquire your very own LinkedIn badge smoothly. First things first, head over to LinkedIn's website. If you haven't signed in already, you'll see the option to sign in with Google or to continue with your existing LinkedIn account. Don't worry if a captcha pops up, it's just an extra layer of security to ensure it's really you. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile photo sitting there, quietly waiting for your click. That's your next destination. Clicking on your profile photo will unveil several options, but the one you're after is View Profile. Go ahead and give that option a click to proceed. Now you're on your profile page, which showcases all your achievements and professional information. What we're interested in, though, is a little more hidden. Look for the public profile and URL link, which you'll find on the right side of your profile page. Beside this link, there's an edit icon, a small pencil. Click on this to enter the settings page where the magic happens. Scrolling through your settings, you'll eventually come to the Create a Badge option. LinkedIn has tucked this feature away, but once you find it, you're just a click away from generating your very own LinkedIn badge. After clicking Create a Badge, LinkedIn guides you to a page brimming with customization options for your badge. You can explore these to ensure your badge aligns with your personal or brand aesthetic. Once satisfied, you'll find a section that provides a snippet of code. This might look intimidating if you're not familiar with code, but fear not, all you need to do is copy this entire snippet. The final step in your journey is to paste this snippet of code into the backend of your website, blog, or wherever you want your LinkedIn badge to shine. For those not well versed in website editing, it might be worth reaching out to a friend who is, or even to a professional, to ensure your badge is displayed perfectly. And there you go. You've successfully added a LinkedIn badge to your online profiles. This badge not only validates your professional presence, but also enables visitors to connect with you on LinkedIn directly from your website or digital CV. Remember, maintaining a professional image on LinkedIn is crucial, so take the time to update your profile, highlight your achievements, and ensure your badge links to a profile you're proud of showcasing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.